Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. We had a blast last night on the live stream, but there's a couple of things that came up, so stay tuned, come back, and let's go over those real quick, okay? Be right back. Welcome back. Well, last night we did have fun. I did make an announcement, and with that announcement, I did get a lot of emails requesting the link to my Patreon account. So from now on, that's going to be listed down in the link will be listed down below, and I don't need to say anything more. If you want to support me that way, that is fine. If you don't, that's fine as well. Alright, now let's get on to the next thing. Everybody had fun trying to guess my first name last night. Some of the names y'all came up with, really. Some of them were cute, funny, outrageous. Blind Views, Lakeisha, come on. Alright, we had fun last night. But let me get it on a serious note here. I've had this nickname for quite a while, but for security reasons, and this is not me saying this, this is the boat company I work for, I do not mention the company's name, nor do I mention the name of the boat I'm on. We have being that I am on YouTube, there's a lot of strange people out there. There's a lot of people that also want to get information. Where are you located at? Where are you at? Where are you going? And so forth. I can only give you a generalized area of where I'm at. I will say I'm on the Illinois River or I'm on the Mississippi. Well, it's kind of hard to find me exactly with all the different towboats that's on there. So you wouldn't know which one I'm on. In the videos I post, sometimes I've already left that area 2 or 3 days beforehand, or maybe even a week beforehand. So you can't calculate where I'm at either. So these are security issues. We are mandated by the Coast Guard, which we have to go through a very thorough background check to even work on these boats. And so the security clearance is much needed. I have to carry a certain card and have to show that card every time I get on the boat, even to get into the crew van, because if you don't have it with you, they don't take you to the boat. So it's a very serious thing. So please do not be offended or feel upset. I'm not upset about it. I think it was cute, funny, and had a blast with it last night. But I cannot give you my first name for that reason. Alright? I have to keep not only myself safe, but the company I work for and all the crew that I work with as well on these boats. So, and thank you for understanding that. You all have been great. I love that you share my videos, that you comment on my videos, that you do everything, that you really interact with me, and I enjoy it. I enjoy making these videos. I can't wait to get back out on the boat because I got so many good ideas of what I'm going to be doing while I'm on the boat. And it's not going to be just the cooking. But yes, I do miss cooking like this. So with this diet, I really can't cook like this and bring you the videos I want to bring you. But when I get back out on the boat, it's going to be like, alright, you're going to get something for breakfast, lunch, supper. You're going to be so tired of my cooking, you're going to say, oh my God, really? No, I hope not. Anyways, but I also like to do a lot of traveling. So you're going to get a lot more from me. Alright, people. Again, thank you again for your support. And I really, really do appreciate it. That you all have a great and wonderful day. Bye-bye.